Don't get too cocky, Star Fox.
Let's see how you handle our new ships.
Too bad Dad's not here to see you fail. We'll make sure you never reach Android. We'll just see about that, Star Wolf.
You guys don't give up.
Not yet. The party's just begun.
Gee, I've been sick.
He's too strong.
I'll do you fast, peppy old pal.
Hey, what's the big idea?
You can't beat me. I've got a better ship. You can't beat me. I've got a better ship. This can't be happening.
There's one more to go. You're good, but I'm better. No way! I don't believe it! I'll go it alone from here.